Summer is approaching and you don't want to miss out on this beautiful, 2-year-old home with a gorgeous in-ground saltwater swimming pool with changing LED lights perfect for all the kids young and old. This home features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with an open floor plan that's great for entertaining. The kitchen has white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops. The master bedroom has a large walk-in closet and an ensuite with his and her sinks and upgraded tub. You will enjoy relaxing and looking out the living room windows to view the large backyard with a wood privacy fence that has a nice storage building with electricity and fire pit for those cool nights. That is if the sparkling swimming pool wasn't enough to catch your eye. Call today to schedule your private showing.